Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 9. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Capital formation and its productive use are central to economic growth. It allows opportunities to the private sector to make multifarious in an economy fueled by domestic demand. Foreign capital prefers access to new markets away from the ones that are saturated. India, with its 1.2 billion population, is an ideal investment haven. In its absence, we will fall short of capital for infrastructure, for manufacturing activities, and for use in the service sector. Capital generated domestically is insufficient to meet our increasing demands. Stop. Capital provides oxygen for growth and helps create jobs, brings efficiency to industry, ensures quality manufacture, and helps build necessary highways for delivery of services. Stop. It is in this context that we need to view foreign direct investment in multi brand retail. Stop. Our policy is nuanced. Stop. With this decision, we have allowed 51% FDI in multi brand retail. Stop. This will do two things. Stop. 1. Allow flow of capital in a sector crying for investment. Stop. 2. Allow technology solutions and bring efficiency to the market. Stop. The present policy allows FDI in multi brand retail only in those Indian cities with a population of 1 million or more. Stop. It is restricted, therefore, to only 53 cities. Stop. Several chief ministers, especially in non Congress ruled states, have publicly stated that they will not allow FDI in multi brand retail in their states. Stop. Hence, the impact of this decision is limited to about 18 cities in states where CAMs have welcomed this move. Stop. The policy also ensures that FDI in multi brand retail must domestically outsource 30% of the finished products sold in the market. Stop. This will help build domestic capacities in manufacturing, create jobs, and help build quality human resource. Stop. This will have secondary and tertiary benefits. Stop. Employers are obliged to obey labor laws in India. Stop. No entity can circumvent statutory obligations as applicable to employers in India. Stop. Those who fear the consequences of this decision make three arguments. Stop. First, that it will negatively impact the retail sector in India. Stop. Kirana shops will go out of business, to that millions of jobs will be lost. Stop. Third, that entities like Walmart with deep pockets will take over large segments of the retail sector. Stop. All these arguments are flawed. Stop. FDI in multi brand retail, as already indicated, can only be set up in certain cities. Stop. Take for example Delhi. Stop. I cannot possibly imagine. Stop. Wall market being set up in Chandni Chowk or in any part of a densely populated Delhi. Stop. Prices of urban land are far too high in most Indian cities, and hence it would become an uneconomical venture. Stop. Given that a very small percentage of Delhi's population lives in spacious houses with large refrigeration facilities, I cannot imagine that Kirana or neighborhood stores will go out of business. Stop. The Aam Aadmi will not go to Delhi's outskirts on his two-wheeler or small car to buy supplies in bulk which cannot be stored in the small refrigerator in his house. Stop.